hurry out and draw. Today, we are going to draw a cute honeybee. So let's draw a honeybee. First of all, draw the eyes and mouth of the honeybee. After that, draw a circle around the eyes and mouth. Then, we will make 2 antennae of the honeybee and 2 small circles above it. Look friends, honeybee watching you. Then, we will draw the belly of the honeybee and black stripes on it. Friends, now it is time to make wings for our honeybee. Now we will fill the stripes that we have made with black color. Friends, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and like the channel. Friends, we will create an outline so that our loss looks even better. Now it's time to add color to the honeybee. You too can make it at home and enjoy the video.